Hi guys, this is part 2 and I figured out there's two things, this and this. So I built a little bit of rocks, little bit of second, third, fourth floor and some things on top. And then we add stairs. And then add stairs. We finally have stairs. Nice. Wait, can we paint them? No. Okay. This is the worst contract. We go up. The second floor is here. Oh, we can see. And now we have more blocks. And there's literally infinite space, infinite space, infinite space, infinite space. How's there infinite space? Wait a minute. If we go to the top, so that means we need one for the bottom. Wait, who's gonna be the bottom now? This one, of course. Delete. Wait a minute. And also, I found a new pool. One for each of them. So we're just gonna delete all of these. So now it's gonna be more space for more people. And there's invisible things. Yeah. And next. Okay. Get
呢個係橙嚟嘅，先生。
我都中意橙啊！係。好凍嘅。
呢幾人等。
Okay. And these are for the second floor. Yep, we have to delete all these. That's the next one. No, it's not. Oh. Well, underneath. No! Different place. Oh. No more. No. We shall take these two. Nice. Wait, the wrong one. Wait. 玩杯。Are you serious? At this time, it's the worst time ever. Yeah, I'm sure. Wait a minute. Oh, nice. Oh wait, backpacks here. Meow meow, meow meow, meow.
你嘅選擇係。我選擇挑戰 Level 1。嗱，我覺得你選擇好正確嘅，但係好衰咧。雖然 Level 1就係護花使者都快自己快歌，你又驚唔驚咧？你話自己拍子唔好嘅，呢首歌好似難過頭先嗰隻。哎呀，好啦。護花使者呢一首歌咧係李克勤嘅作品嚟嘅，動感十足，一聽咧就想跟住一齊跳舞啦。呢一首歌咧亦都係唔少人心目中嘅呢個表白金曲嚟嘅。呢一首咁有動感嘅歌，有啲咩位置需要留意下 Eric Sir？ 低音 Jackie。噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔呢啲位小心啲。隻歌其實好簡單嘅，啲拍子都係嘣嘣嘣嘣嘣嘣，好似賽馬咁樣又嚟啦。咁但係你基本上係留啲低音就得㗎啦。OK， 咁啊，希望唔會 Level 1裏邊離開。你要記住，你個女係睇緊你㗎，係啊，因為你女就咁樣啦。交俾你咯，準備唱前。Drop the beat, take the pitch. 這晚在街中偶遇心中的他，兩個決定不停要換跟他歸家，心傷的晚風不准吹去他，他那幽幽眼神快。
I got secret pets.
對我說浪漫情人愛我嗎？貪心的晚風，竟暗用問他，將他手法混混悠悠每縷每縷放下。清脆的晚風，萬億撫慰他，我已決意一生護着心中的家。
Okay, hi guys, see you later. We have never mind. 50 back. Oh, okay. 200 is pretty good. Sell, of course. So am I an idiot. Oh wait, yes, I'll be soon.
同小力都係大水過到，咁啊作為職業嘅你，終於遇到難關啦。去到最後，我諗即係咧，
作為職業嘅你，
因為咧你大周話派咁咁我哋
Okay, so next.
選擇去
就
攞我哋嘅
識講。
1000蚊嘅，係啊，咁啊將個選擇交俾你啦。你嘅選擇係。
我派咗
我選擇挑
嗰
戰 Level 4。喺我隔離，啱啱未出嚟。
咁點咧？
有啲信心啊！有嘅，呢首係練得多嘅。呢首聽得多。哎呀，我最驚聽到呢啲啦，聽得多唔練就唔得㗎啦。究竟呢首歌如何咧？交俾 Eric Sir 話俾你聽下。
你只要留意高音 chorus 啲高音就得㗎，因為呢隻歌嘅 verse 唔係話太多啲沉落去嘅低音，你唔使太擔心。咁啊，你把聲係唱中音高音係準嘅，咁所以我對你好有信心嘅。
哇 Eric Sir 俾好多信心你啦嚇。咁啊，我唔識啦，唱歌啲嘢我俾唔到信心你。你自己咧？我自己有信心嘅。呢首歌我自己本身。
Oh my gosh, somehow I got
真
a
係
lot of
有
money.
機會啦，係唱一首歌，
But
無論係唱過定係唔過都好啦，我覺得都係唱一首好啦。有啲咩説話想將呢首歌送俾邊個人聽啊？女啊，嗰啲有咩好俾你講埋？我純粹係想女喺電視機度見到自己爸爸係有型過嘅。哇！乜嘢㗎？冇錯，我話俾你聽，女喺個咁有型嘅人身邊都有型嘅，就好有型嘅你爸爸。好啦，咁啊而家就為你啦，女，我哋一齊唱前。Drop the beat, hit the pitch。你也許自問無憾，然後才自覺你不該再等，和另一位偷吻，證實快樂亦算應份。意外現場，人類智商總都不夠高，誰都無處可逃。別要講今天你尚愛我，正如早不是我，誰可講看錯？這結果太赤裸，不能避過，不是我
Wait, 3 hours?
犯傻，為太多可講斷裂開放，成為經典配角，誰捨得嘴破？你這刻與那位感情狀況，需開解你的。不是我。
I am a quarter of the way somehow.
同啲啊，
而家先睇一睇你嘅分數先進步咗啊！
音準嚟講係91%嘅，拍子係95.5%，綜合成績有93.3%㗎，恭喜晒！
好咁
同埋咗。
果然係唔同啲人。
我呢度做咩
呢首歌
已經有多咗粒字嘅
你開始係而家冇咁趕啊。
Oh, wait, I know what these mean now. Oh, that's so cool.
咁打擊信心啊！開信心翻嚟先。
但係而家信心亦都冇太多，可以即刻走嘅。因為咧，你已經成功跳成咗一條線啦，你有權咧可以攞咗我哋1000蚊。咁就攞咗1000蚊，就可以同個女買新玩具啊，買新奶樽啊，遙遠咁樣餵奶啊，係啊，咁啊可以㗎。不過除此之外，亦都要即係我哋嘅 channel 裏邊嘅觀眾多謝你，因為咧你為我哋觀眾拎咗500蚊嘅福利名額。
Oh my gosh, that's the best stairs in the world. What is this stairs?
咁啊去到呢個時刻，
These stairs are perfect for adults.
因為你有權攞1000蚊啫，有權繼續挑戰㗎喎。
有權繼續挑戰嚟講咧，就一係挑戰更加高嘅 level 難度啦，一係咧就可以挑戰我哋中間嘅 monster。咁 monster 呢個咧就犀利啦，佢10%嘅音樂發展，咁你又諗一諗，要唔要咁快就挑戰佢啦？但係一旦咧你挑戰成功嘅話，monster 咧係可以贏到5000蚊咁多㗎。咁但係如果失敗咧就拜拜。 就遺憾離場啦。咁所以可以諗一諗，一嚟就去到呢度，定係高啲嘅 level 先呢？
咁當然係再講一次挑戰唔到
And the second.
OK 嘛？好啦 ，OK 嘛？有啲咩説話想同大家講下先咧？再先簡單。
The first floor, go to the first floor.
好啦，呢個心意好煩亂㗎。
唔緊要，我哋叫觀眾撳多啲小朋友支持你，支持。 幫觀眾贏到500蚊嘅福利名額。
有福利嘅話就快啲瘋狂撳爆 emoji 啊！其實你都係我哋其中一集上線嘅嘉賓嚟嘅，挑戰者，但係你又唔劇透得你點樣喎？我見到留言區好多哇，留言洶湧啊，係咁叫佢唱。咁樣啦，即刻考驗下你。
I think it's done. Bye, guys. See you later. Hope you have fun time.